which, according to Michelle, didn't happen very often. But when Faygo was diagnosed with prostate cancer and his health started to take a turn for the worse, Michelle decided to change that. I think it has brought peace and comfort to so many people that we could spend a little time with them. It was so nice that she gave us the opportunity to play with him and say goodbye. Or with other neighbors, they feel like all this love is extending Faygo's life in some way, applauding the way Michelle and Joe have gone above and beyond for their dog, and one saying, Michelle and Joe are the epitome of fur baby parents. Michelle would give Faygo a kidney if it would save his life. Whether it's actually extending his life, that can be up for debate, but Michelle says that all the love is definitely bringing some joy to Faygo's final days. With her tearfully telling the Post, we've had so many people show up in our yard to pet him, to love on him, and to cry into his fur.